Hazrat Salma bin Aqwa radiyallahu anhu says, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu did not participate in the battle of Khaybar on account of his sore eyes. He thought that he had abandoned the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Hazrat Ali set out and joined Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When the evening fell of the night on which morning Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestowed victory, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I will definitely give this standard to a person or hand it over to a person whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam love, or said, who loves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will grant victory. We suddenly came across Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, though we did not anticipate his arrival. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted him the standard, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu conferred the victory at his hands. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3702.